Hey everybody, what is up? Welcome back to some Crash Bandicoot 3 with TheMKninja. Hold on a second. Just, nope. Sorry. Yeah, I was uploading the next episode of Metro. Alright, we'll do this level, I guess. And, of course, this video file is getting larger than it should be. Even though I fucking turned down the quality. Which sucks. It's like, oh yeah, it's small for once, and then boop, gets larger, like next time, and it's like, what the fuck? Make up your goddamn mind, Bandicam. It sucks. I don't know what I'm gonna fucking do. Give me those extra lives I don't fucking need. Wow, of course. Of fucking course. I'll be right back. I gotta backtrack now. At least now I can... I was about to say, at least now I can do it safely. But then I was like, okay, nope. I died. Fuck you, kid. I'm kidding. I love the Crash. The best ever. The fucking best. Oh, these guys are funny, because they just... The way they kill you is they like hug you, and it's hilarious. Okay, that was close. Fuck it, we'll go this way. Actually, no. That guy looks worried. Look at him. He's worried. He's like, I'm scared, man. I'm fucking scared. We're all scared. Some people need to overcome their fear, though, and learn to be, I don't know, some shit. I don't know what I'm saying. Yeah, get in my way, bitch. Jeez, like, it's not like this level was earlier on. You can make it cross without, I don't know. Don't complain. I never said this game was perfect. I just said I love it. More than any other game, I love it. I'm just having a wonderful time, even when I'm not having a wonderful time. If that makes any sense. Probably doesn't, but... Oh, I don't think I can get the gem here. Yep. I might as well, I'm gonna at least attempt to it though, because I don't know if I can still, like, you know, get it, get like one gem. We'll see though. We'll see how it turns out. I love doing the double jump and then the slide double jump and then tornado spin. Awesome maneuver right there. The music in this game is fucking fantastic. All of it. All the music in this game. It's catchy. Just something about Crash Bandicoot music. Just something about it. Just fucking beautiful. It's beautiful! It's so beautiful! Boop. And then boop. And then give me the last two crates. I do like how in this one they show you how many crates you have left. So, you know, that's a nice touch, I think. It's very nice. There's no longer, like, guesswork. There's a lot less guesswork in this game. Because usually it tells you. And some people might be like, oh, well, that takes away the challenge. But there's... You've seen it does not take away the challenge. Even a guy who fucking loves this game and is great at platformers has some trouble with some stuff. Like, I know this game in and out. Okay. Okay, so yeah, I can get at least one gem. I just can't get both of them. Alright. That's fine. I'll deal with it. I'll deal with that. Sphinxinator. I do like how Engine is back, though. Oh yeah, here's an easy level. Another level with Coco. Yeah, Coco gets more time to shine. There's also another level with Coco here. There's a lot of Coco levels in this. This one is actually kind of easy. It's an easy level. It just takes a lot of flying around and getting those crates. It's also an easy level to get the time trial. I'm not gonna get this. I'm gonna stop doing the time trials. I'm just gonna wait till I get to the end of the game. Because I want to get the regular stuff first. Anyway, I can do this to avoid their bullets, which is awesome. Something I never knew until like I don't know. It wasn't too long ago actually when I found that out. Which makes the game which makes these levels way more manageable. These are cool levels though. They control well. Inverted, but most of these kind of games with this kind of stuff are. Although usually they can give you options to control to change the controls. But whatever. But inverted is done for this kind of thing. I don't usually mind it. I don't usually like inverted though. Stop it! You fucking douche. You fucking douche! Stop hitting me. Gem, baby. That last one. Come on. Harder to control without an analog stick. There's that gem. And there's the crystal, baby. Yeah! That wasn't too bad. Sorry. I'll be right back. I was just checking on the Metro Fusion upload. Tell no tales. Yeah, sure, we'll do this one too. We'll get them all done. What the fuck? Thought I heard something. Oh well. After this, do Pokemon. After this episode, I'll play some Pokemon, record some of that. And thankfully, those videos come out much smaller than these ones. For some weird reason. I don't know. Even though I'm pretty sure the game file for it is actually bigger. Like to make the game and such. Actually, I don't know. I'm not sure because this game has much more variety than Pokemon. There's much more in it. Even though Pokemon will take me longer. Shit! No! Fuck you, bird! Fuck you, you stupid bird! God damn it! Oh well, whatever. It's fine. It's not like I was that far in the level anyway. Okay. But yeah, if I got hit by that, I would have been like, oh, okay, that's just me being reckless. It's not like the level being bullshit. It doesn't. In fact, actually, when I first recorded this game on my channel, I'm not even sure. I think I'll keep those videos around. I thought some of them were kind of funny. But when I first did it, I said there were 2 levels in this game that are like my least favorite. But like and I said I didn't really like them. But like nowadays, like I don't really hate them anymore. In fact, I do like them. It's just that I sucked back then, so. Now I don't suck. I just hope I can get the gem for this level. Oh god, oh fuck me. Shit, did I mess up anything? Please tell me to mess up anything. Okay, no, fuck. God damn it. I'll be right back. This is not going well at all. Alright, I'm back. I'm just getting back to where I was. Yes, please, give me... Oh, Aku. I almost said Uka again, but Aku. It's Aku, not Uka. Jeez. I can't believe I'm messing that up. I'm messing all tons of things up. I look like I suck. I don't suck, guys. I swear I don't suck. I know this game so well. Another game I've been saying that I want to play, but I really, really want to get to it, is a game that I haven't really played a lot recently because I haven't been able to get through it, or at least get that far in it. Is Crash to Insanity, which I might have to get a capture card for that one, and a new memory card. The capture card will cost me like $100, which I don't have. I have like $80 on my Amazon account. And even then, I want to save that for other stuff. I want to save that for, like, getting, like, figurines and shit. Like anime stuff. Thank you. This is a little precarious situation I've been placed in. Yes. I was wondering if, like, because if you saw earlier, there's a bunch of areas where you can get those extra lives. Not like I need them, but like I just wanted to know where they were. Because I have a ton of lives. See, it's a ton. 78 is exactly a ton. It's exactly the numerical value of a ton. Actually, I don't know. I think a ton is 1,000 pounds. Something like that. Something along those lines. I need to get the gem, the crates over there. This level's a little weird. With how it goes around. This is just a total circle, I believe. I think it's a total circle. Yeah, it's a total circle. I do like how there are pirate ships, though. That definitely adds to it. Definitely adds to the realness of this. It also begs the question, where the fuck are we? Oh, well, we're in the time of pirates, of course, but we're still going back in time. Which I never really associated these levels with going back in time before, because, like, I'm on a fucking, you know, I'm on a vehicle that's you could find today, back in pirate times. Whoa, she, her arms went all weird. Never seen that before. At least I don't think I've seen that before. I might have, but I probably just forgot. Is that, you know, there's also another little secret where you can find a fake Crash. In one of these kinds of levels. You can find him just dancing around. But I haven't found him ever on, like, actually playing the game. Never have. Were we over here? No, he's not. I don't know. I have no idea where he is. I might try and, like, look it up one day and see if I can find him. But I honestly don't know. So, like, if you were like, oh yeah, show us that, I'm not going to be able to. I will not be able to, I'm sorry. I apologize for not being able to know where to go. Oh god. Oh, jeez. Oh man, that was... Whew. That was scary. Holy shit. Holy shit. That was scary. Scary shit right there. Yeah, I want to get that gem. Don't want to leave the level without the fucking gem. That would just be a mistake. A big mistake. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Alright, I think I have time for either 1 or 2 more levels. I'm pretty sure I have time for 2. I'm on episode 6, I believe. 5 or 6. Future Frenzy. Let's go to a future level. Yeah, fuck it. I don't know if I can get any of the gems in it, though.
So, Crash Bandicoot, we meet again. Uka Uka and Dr. Cortex want me to teach you a lesson. Well, I've made a few modifications to my mechanics since our last encounter. So back off or be deleted.
Nope. I'm stubborn. I'm gonna keep going anyway, no matter what you say, bitch. Like a 13-year-old kid. No. 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 I refuse. You suck. You eat boogers. Actually, I think that's like more like 11. I'm not sure if you still say that shit at 13. Shit! I was hoping I was far away enough from that. These are some cool levels. I love the backgrounds, like how you're just in a big-ass futurist city, and you're like, holy crap, this is different than everything that's happened in the game so far. They changed it up totally so much. Because, like, this game just keeps elevating on itself over and over. Okay. I thought it blew up. I don't know if you can hear that, but I guess there's a plane going overhead. Maybe a helicopter, I don't know. I guess. I don't know which one that is, but it's some vehicle going overhead. But you can't, I don't know if you can hear it, so it might just be like talking for no reason. But yeah. Actually, I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to do that off of this. This might take up all the time I have. This might, I'm not entirely sure. We'll have to wait and see. It is really cool scenery, but, you know, don't want to waste time. Got precious seconds. There we go. That's much appreciated. I would love it if we can go inside one of these buildings. And since, although by the time, if I'm gonna say this, like, by the time I've said it, it would have been common knowledge by now, but, like, I decided against doing a video on it, but when the games get remade, actually no, they probably won't, because they'll just be a remake, not or a remaster, as they say. But yeah, they're gonna follow it exactly, I bet, or just about exactly. Thank you. Actually, for when the games get remastered, I don't know if they're going to use the old Crash design or the new one. That's actually a good thing to think about. They're going to use the old designs and the new ones. Personally, I'd prefer the old designs, but I don't hate the new designs. And that came out in the Titans games. I was like, oh, this looks kind of cool. I wasn't like a lot of other people who were like, no, hate. I was up for a new design. I even kind of like Tiny's design, although his, in my opinion, is like the weakest. But I like the other designs for their characters. I just think they're cool. But I still prefer the simplicity and lovability of Crash's old designs, the old designs of these characters and such. It's just better. Naughty Dog did so much good with this game, with these games. They're so fucking fantastic. Yeah, this is probably gonna be all the time I got. I'm only gonna be able to. I can't even speak English. I'm only gonna be able to do this level, and then that's the end of this episode. Because I'm at 18 minutes. Bitch, go fuck yourself, you whatever the hell you are. Your only purpose in life is just go around back and forth and create a shield that kills people. You fucking monster. You don't have much purpose in life either. Yeah, there's a secret entrance to that area. Okay, so this episode's gonna be shorter than the other ones. Good, I guess. And let's see what else we have. Let's only have one more level after that, but there's not enough time for me to do it. Sorry. It's just such a good theme song. Such a good theme. But anyway, if you guys enjoyed this episode, please go ahead and make sure to rate, comment, and subscribe. Check out my other videos. Also make sure to check out my supporters, all that great stuff. And I will see you guys next time. Peace out.